Good morning, everyone. My name is Yoshimi Fukuhara from Keio University, and this is my very first day to attend this conference. I missed the various nice talks previous 2 days because the day before yesterday and 2 days we had a Asian Open Coursera and Open Education Conference in Taipei. I am one of the co-chair of that conference, and unfortunately, this year the schedules overlapped, conflicted. So some people missed the Asian conference, and today I heard that this conference schedule. So unfortunately, this separated. And if you are interested in the Asian Open Coursera and Open Educational related things, the tendency activities, you can participate. We will have the next Asian Open Coursera and Open Educational Conference in Tokyo in November 7th and 8th. Please note in your mind. And later, I have this information to the website. So if you're interested in, we will welcome everyone from the world. The topics is limited to the focus, not limited, very much focused on the Asian things, but we will welcome the participants all over the world. So, sorry, this announcement. So,
just the presentations.
But
yeah, no, maybe you should.
What's happening? On my PC, it's normal, but not how to work. Okay, maybe it's okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Sorry. So today I'll talk about the bridging formal informal learning. To bridge the formal informal learning is one issue we will overcome the future, but it's difficult to show the real solution right now today. But we'll share one of the result or working in process. We'll share our trial first. So first I'll show you our history and background. Our university, Keio University, launched our own OCW site on May 2005. About 5 years ago, with the 5 universities, the first OCW activity in Japan. I'll add some other universities' information. Nowadays, in Japan, 23 universities joined the OCW as whole university level. In Japan, the university joined the OCW to launch OCW as a whole university level, no department level, no exception in Japan. And in our university nowadays, totally 45 courses, the 28 Japanese and 17 English courses are now published from our website. And 18 of 45 we published as a video format, lecture videos. Next, I'll show you one data to show the potential, the possibility for informal learning in Japan. Our consortium in Japan, JOCW, carried the opinion poll every year in previous 4 years. And the recent 2 years, from the result of recent 2 years, one, its time is limited, so I can share the one data. First, it's a questionnaire is, do you want to watch lecture? Do you want to watch lecture videos of extension lectures close to your home if it will be provided on the internet? So, yes, I wanted to watch. More about 28% answered. And yes, if anything, answered more than 50. So totally, almost 80% of people want to watch lecture movies provided from universities, if possible. This is one potential we are now in Japan. And we tried, we carried out some case studies to bridge formal-informal learning. Today, I will show the two cases. One is a formal course in university using OCW content, and the other one is iUnip. This is the name of the service. It provides a social learning platform. This platform is provided by private companies named Castaria. Two persons from Castaria is right over there. So after my presentation, if you want to ask something about the iUnip, maybe they will answer in detail. First one, the case one, formal course using OCW. This graph shows the system configuration. The lower part is the OCW. As you know, there are many information related to lecture provided in universities are digitalized and stored in the OCW site. Put the metadata and figured as some structured data to the lecture videos, and to provide us the OCW just access to the OCW site. But we implemented the LMS to combine with the OCW site. So from the LMS, the OCW contents are put from LMS access to the OCW site, content by content, and provide to the students when students run as a formal learning. It's very sorry. Almost all the lecture contents are in Japanese. So, but it's a screenshot, a real screenshot of the OCW provided from Keio University, and this course is from Faculty of Economics. The contents is about the economic history in Japan. The small windows shows the lecture videos stored in the OCW server. And it's similar, looks similar, very similar, but it's very different because it's the screenshot of the e-learning using LMS. The content itself is quite same because the contents are accessed from the OCW site, so it's a same thing. But the LMS provides the learners to the some running support function, managing running history, and provide some additional test to check the understanding level or something. And we've distributed the questionnaires to all the students registered this course. The total registered number of the students is 232. We got a reply about 170 students, sorry, this is the real data. We got a data in server. The 214 persons completed the course. This course provided in the one semester, the spring semester in 2009. So this graph shows the dropping rate. The final dropping rate was 8.5%. It's relatively high rather than the normal e-learning course. Many of the e-learning course, in many of the e-learning course, more than 10-20% usually dropped it out. But this case, relatively low rate. This graph shows the access day by day and during the semester. It's something concentrated, very much concentrated to the end of term. In this course, the professor did a test for each intermediate test between the semester 3 times. So before the test, the students are concentrated to access. So not equalized totally, but they not concentrated to the end of the semester. This is some result from we got from the students. We provided to all students. We got 170 answers from all registered students. And from the result, one question is how many days did you take to complete all lectures? Normally, it takes, in classroom, it's equal to the 22 days lectures. But for this e-learning usage, about half of the students spent more than 22 days, longer than traditional classroom. It shows a very active learning results. And another question, how did you take your web lecture normally? Most of the students, about 65, used their free time at the home. And others, some, according to the scheduled, predetermined, or between classes. And next result is did you access e-learning repeatedly for review and checking test? About 60% answered occasionally. Frequently, the 20% answered. And the next question is, please describe with a number between 0 and 100 for your satisfaction with the learning. So 44% rated more than 80. Next, I'll show you the next case study. So the iUnib social learning platform. The feature of the iUnib is the content aggregation of 66,000 lecture videos and audios from all over the world. And the Fusen, it's to use that annotation, it's to put a sticky pad on timeline. And the search content annotation people. Mobile application, it could be a mobile platform, a mobile device could be used with this platform. And make free-flow education. We offer a new social learning web service for self-learners using over huge high-quality lecture video and audio contents provided by many universities all over the world. Self-learner can study on such course and share its knowledge and intelligence worldwide. So this is our usage of the iUnip in our university. We provide our contents and as well as other universities. And the user can use the many kind of the social learning facility on the iUnip platform. So it's known to potential learner by sharing users' activity and comment. Let me pass the one slide. So I would like to conclude my presentation. Now we presented the potential for the bridging formal and informal education through 2 cases studies. But we require, a spiral activity. So PDCA cycle and double loop, formal to informal, informal to formal. This kind of the activities needed to make sure the more effective way of learning to establish. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much. Any questions? Yes. Just wait a second.
Mesk, who were your subjects in the study of with the like 235 students or whatever, the ones that dropped out? Were your subjects like those that just self-learners, people at home who like saw some kind of an e-learning system and said, "Hey, I'll sign up for this," or were they like somehow like in a university and like were encouraged to like take a course? Just who are your subjects?
You mean the subject of this case study?
Yes, yeah. I mean, in other words, were they just the individuals? Like we put out, like a lot of people here, they put out OCW material, and then I guess there are a lot of different folks that are, well, hopefully there are a lot of different folks using it in different ways. And it just guess like who are your subjects in this study?
In this case study, we use the economic history in Japan economics, but I think it's not limited the special study. We can use this approach for every kind of the contents. If we for the video lectures we provide, we have many other subjects, science and technology and computer science and researchers. Mm-hmm.
Were they students or were they just people at home?
The people.
I'm sorry. Were they students? In other words, like you did this study of 235 people. These people, were they just like students who are already attending university, or were they like just like individuals at home who said, "Hey, I see this thing that's being offered. I think I'm going to sign up." I mean, or do we know who those subjects are? Yeah.
This trial is limited to the students of the university as a formal course. But this kind of approach we'd like to open to the public. If there are one person who would like to register and would like to get a test and check, so like a P2P university, similar to, yeah.
Questions? I would like to thank Professor Fukuhara. Thank you very much.